How to showcase featured products to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you two different ways in order to do so. First is going to be just one specific featured product that you want to highlight, and the second one is going to be through a collection. So let's just go and get started. First, we are just going to go to the page where we want to highlight this product, and we are just going to go ahead and add a new section. I'm just going to add it right over here, and we're just going to scroll down until we find featured product section. So it should be down here within the products tab. We're just going to be able to find featured products. So just go and click on that. And now all we need to do is just select the product that we want. And we're going to be able to adjust it to our needs. We have the layout options here. We can change where the media is going to be, whether it's going to be to the left or to the right side of our screen. If you also want to change the color scheme of it, and all of these things are going to be down here. And also underneath the section itself, you are going to be able to find details, which is going to be this part right here. And you can also feel free to adjust this as you like. For example, if I want it to be in the center instead of on the top here, what I'm going to do is the height, I'm just going to make it to be fill. And then the layout, I'm just going to make it to the center. And now we have this option. And you also have a lot more that you can play around with if you want. Another way that you can do this is by going to products, collections, and click on add collection. And you can just go and name it whatever you want. Then you can just go and keep the collection type as manual and browse the products that you want and click on add. You can feel free to add an image, but I'm just going to skip that step and click on save and just go back to the editor. So all you need to do now is just go and add a section, which is going to be right down here for me. And we're just going to scroll down until we find the collections section. So again, it's going to be within the products section, and we're going to be selecting the featured collection. I'm going to go for grid. You can feel free to go for any other one that you want. And I'm just going to select it. And then here, the obvious option here is going to be selecting the appropriate collection, which is this one in my case. And now you can see that we have our featured products all in here. And obviously you can just, again, feel free to adjust how it looks like with all the different styling options that you have depending on your theme. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.